Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by removing laces and any loose dirt with a soft brush. This prevents grit from scratching surfaces during cleaning. Place shoes on a flat surface over paper towels and keep a bowl of lukewarm water nearby for rinsing. Always test mint shoe cleaner on a small hidden area first to check color fastness and finish. Wait 30 seconds to view any change. Use protective gloves if you have sensitive skin, and work in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling fumes or aerosolized particles. Dispense 1 pump or a pea-sized amount of mint shoe cleaner onto a soft brush or microfiber cloth. Avoid overapplying, which can saturate materials. For fabric and mesh, use a 3.5-inch soft bristle brush and scrub stains in gentle circular motions for about 30 seconds per small area to lift dirt without fraying fibers. For leather or suede, use a microfiber cloth and light pressure, blotting rather than rubbing to preserve finish. If stubborn stains remain, repeat once more, then proceed to rinse. After scrubbing, wipe away residue with a damp cloth and change rinse water if it becomes cloudy to avoid redeposition of dirt. Stuff shoes with paper towels to maintain shape and air dry them flat for 24 hours away from direct heat sources or sunlight, which can warp or fade materials. Once completely dry, reinsert laces and optionally apply a protective spray designed for your shoe material to repel future stains and water. Store shoes in a cool, dry place between uses.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.